gonna be playing Animal Jam. And I'm gonna tell you about some people that you need to report. One, I wish there was a button for forced doing something, because my friend, he forced me out of the den. And there's someone else that it was her, and I can't believe she's acting like I did not hear her. Her name, she called me a poop fox. Oh, there was four people, but the other one, they left, so I can't report them either. And I like the way they act, that I act like I couldn't. Where is he? Oh, did he unbuddy me? Oh no, here. I already reported him. Awesome Cat. And I don't know if they're still in their den. Cause I'm telling them I'm gonna tell them that I'm probably gonna be making a video. Okay. Oh, finally she has to go. Wait. Her name is Elementempress. So you should report her too. Is there a report for calling names or being a bully? No, it's not a report for calling names. They should really remove the word poop, because if they use it, or actually if they should see the words before it, they should see the words before it and then see if it's appropriate. Because if it's not appropriate, then if they're calling someone a name, then they shouldn't allow that. Her name is Elementempress, and his name is Friendly Guy. Definitely friendly. Saying that I was adopted. Really, if I had a fur color like you, I would sue my mom or my dad. But he left. I was gonna tell him that I was making a video. We should report him for inappropriate behavior, because I think they were doing you know what. I'm sorry if it comes out low. So I'm gonna have to end this video anyway here. Report Awesome Cat. Report Elementempress, and report Friendly Guy. I still can't believe this guy, Awesome Cat, is on my freaking friend list. I really wish there was something that I can be reported. People can be reported for forcing people. So, bye.